dear students? I hope you all are doing fine. Let us start a new chapter of your book, that is chapter 7, Algebraic Expressions. Algebraic expressions. An expression, an algebraic expression or a polynomial is a mathematical term that consists of variables, constants, and some other mathematical operators, which may include the sign of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. For example, 8x minus 20 minus 6y plus 30, etc. Okay, this is an example of algebraic expression because it has a constant that is 20, a variable that is x, and the minus symbol, and 8x means 8 is multiplied with x. Now, more often we will come with the terms algebraic expressions and algebraic equations. Algebraic equations. So don't get confused. Equations should be having one left hand side and one right hand side. For example, algebraic equation will be 5x minus 20 is equal to 80. Can you see an equal to sign here? That's why it is called equation. Same way, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also, if you see, you can see one equal to sign which is not in the expression, isn't it? This equal to sign will differentiate it from an expression. Okay. Now we have few terms. Let us see them. Often in mathematics, we come across symbols or letters such as x, y, z. You must have seen all these, isn't it? Now, these are the terms whose values are not known and they are called variable. Variable is derived from a word variable. Variable means which keeps on changing. Any number or a variable combined by multiplication or division is known as a term. For example, 5, 6x, 5 by 3. These all are terms. You may wonder why 5 is a term. 5 is actually constant term because 5 can be written as 5 into 1, isn't it? Multiplied. 6x means what? 6 into x. Fine. Okay. An expression is a collection of single or multiple terms separated by either subtraction or addition. As I told, I am giving some more examples of expression. 5x minus 3, 23x, 2 by 3x. Actually, this 2 by 3x is 2 by 3 in a bracket and then it is a x. Fine. Don't consider it as 3x in the denominator. So, I have a small picture which is showing you an example of an expression 5x minus 3. Now 3 is your constant, isn't it? Because its value is fixed. X is a variable. Variable is derived from word vary. If you have read that word, vary means which keeps on changing. So the value of x can be anything, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3, etc. And 5x together forms a term. And 5 is the coefficient of x and the coefficient of x is 5 and the coefficient of 5 will be what? The coefficient of 5 will be x. Fine. So by now you know an algebraic expression, how it looks like. It doesn't have an equal to sign. You know this expression, coefficient of a term. Coefficient means 5x. If I write 3y, then what is the coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is 3. And what is the coefficient of 3? The coefficient of 3 is y. Variables, you know, keeps on changing, constant, fixed value. Factors of a term, we will see now. Terms of equations and like and unlike terms. Examples of using these terms are given below. If 2x square plus 3xy plus 4x plus z is an algebraic expression, okay, they are taking one example, then 2x square is one term, 3xy is another term, 4x is another term, and 7 is another term. Got it? So term means a single a single part which is differentiated either by a plus or a minus. So the coefficient of term x square, just now I told you, the coefficient of x is 5 here. So the coefficient of x square will be a 2. If they are asking the coefficient of x square, it is 2 because what is left in 2x square? It is 2. Constant term is 7. Example of like and unlike, you know, like means same and unlike are different. So example of like terms will be 2x, 3x, 5x, minus 7x, etc. Unlike terms means they will be different, like 2x and 3y. Clear? We have learned these terms like and unlike many times. Factors of a term. If 3xy is a term, then its factors are 3xy. Clear? If 15x square is a term, its factors will be 15x and one more x. You know now, x square means x into x. Fine. Okay. Now we have types of expressions. Please see how they differ. Mono. Always try to learn the meaning of the words. Mono means single. So monomial consists of just one term. Example is given as 2x. It has only one term, that is 2x. Bi. Bi means 2. Bi means 2, so it will be having two terms. Let us take one example, 2x plus 3y. Try. Now you know try. What is try? Try must be having three terms. 2x plus 3y plus 9. Same with quadra. Quadra will have four terms. Penta. Penta will have five terms. Okay. So altogether we use the term poly. Poly means many. So in an algebraic expression, if the power of variable is non-negative integer, we always have to focus on the non-negative integer, means it should be positive only. Then the expression is called as a polynomial. See, I have written one example, 3x plus 5y plus 1. This is a polynomial because here the variable is x, its power is 1, and variable is y, its power is 1. You know, when the powers are 1, we don't write the powers. But if I write 2 by x minus 7, it is not a polynomial because here the power of x is x to the power minus 1. Remember how we were writing 5 to the power minus 1? It was written as 1 by 5, isn't it? So 2 by x is actually 2 into 1 by x, and 1 by x, you know, that is x to the power minus 1. So clear, the power should always be positive for a polynomial. So let us have some questions from exercise 7.1, page 96. This exercise is very easy and a fun activity to do, and it will help you in revising all the terms which we have studied just now. Question number 1, write all the terms of the following algebraic expressions. All the terms means you have to see how many are there. Here I can see one term as 5x to the power 4, another is minus 3x to the power 3, another is 2x and 7. So this is the first first of question number 1. So you will write the terms as 5x to the power 4. Please take care, if any term has a negative sign, you have to write the negative sign. If the terms have positive sign, we don't write the positive sign. Okay. Fifth subpart, 3x to the power 5 minus 7x square y square plus 7. Again very easy. The first term will be 3x to the power 5. Second term will be minus 7x square y square, and third term is a 7. Can you tell me which kind of expression is this? How many terms are there? One term, two term, three terms. So it is a trinomial. Fine. Very good. Okay. Second one. Write constant term for each expression. Constant I told you, which has a fixed value. So it will not be having any a, b, c, d, x, y, z. So see the second subpart, x squared minus 4x plus 7 by 9. Here we have an x, here we have an x. 7 by 9 is the constant term. Clear? Identify monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial from expression. Quadrinomial, don't get confused. Quadrinomial means 4 terms. So I am taking fourth subpart minus xyz. So minus xyz is altogether a single term. So it is a monomial. Seventh, x square, y square minus z square plus 1. So we can see 4 terms here. So it is a quadrinomial. Question number 4 is saying write down coefficient of x in each of the following. Coefficient of x means first you have to see where is the x, then you will leave the x and write all the things. So second subpart is 15xy cube. Now coefficient of x will be leaving x. What is left? 15y cube. Clear? If I ask you what is the coefficient of y cube, it will be 15x. Fourth part minus 5 by 9 xy plus 7. Again they are asking the coefficient of x. So x I can see here. I will not write x. The coefficient of x will be minus 5 by 9 y. Whichever variable's coefficient they ask, you don't have to count that variable. Leaving that variable, whatever is left is your coefficient. Fifth question, change the following statements to words. So they have given a statement 7y plus 5. So how you can write it in word? Means 7 is getting multiplied with y and then they are adding 5 in it. So it can be written as 5 added to 7 times y. Or you can write 7 times y is added with 5. Same with fifth subpart 3mn plus 7. So I will write it as 7 added to 3 times product of m and n. Identify like and unlike terms. We have studied like means having the same variables. So 5x, 7y, 3z. All the variables are different. So it is an unlike term. Sixth part 4xy square z minus 6y square xz. 7xzy square. Many of you will think, oh, all of them are different. No, please be careful here. X. So can you see x everywhere? X, x, x. Y square, y square, y square. Z, z, z. They have just changed the order to let you confuse. So all of them have same terms. So they are like. Question number 7. Identify the like term in each of the following. So they have given a set of terms. You have to find out the like terms. 2ab, 4bc, 6a minus 4bc. So can you see same thing here? I can see a bc and a minus 4bc. So this is your like term. 8th. Give algebraic expression using variable, constants and arithmetic operations. 8 added to twice the product of x and y. So 8 is added to twice the product of x and y. Means product of x and y is x into y. So x into y we will write as xy, and then twice the product means into 2, or generally we write the variable term first. So it is 2xy plus 8. That was all for today. You have your homework listed here. Kindly do and submit your works on time. I'm sure you will enjoy doing this exercise. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.